chicken breast, onions, the root part is called. Now I'm cooking this one, so I put 4. So yes, it's cooking properly, guys. Look at, nice. It's the hotness is strong. It's worth it, this one. Now I'm cooking pancit bihon, guys. So starting the meat. So I don't put any oil, just only the meat oil I'm using. Garlic, onions, mix together. Hot water, mix, seasoning powder, cover for about 15 minutes until the meat will become tender. Now it's okay, the meat is really soft now, very soft. So let's add the string beans. Carrots, red pepper, mix, chicken breast, mix. So this is chicken breast fillet, spring onions, the root part, mix, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cabbage. It's called Chinese leaf in Chinese store, but this is cabbage. So close this one first. So I need to mix this one. So all done mixing. Now I add water. I set aside the vegetables. Put soy sauce, oyster sauce. So I'm waiting this one to boil so that I can put this one. This is tiger brand rice noodles. Now it's boiling, so I need to put this one here. So this one, that. Now I remove the water. I drain the water. I put a little bit of soy sauce, oyster sauce again, because I drained the water. Now I put the vegetables again in here. Mix this one here. Spring onions. Now it's ready, guys. Ready mixing everything. Look at how beautiful it is. It's ready now. Ready to eat. Ready to eat, guys. So I need to taste it. Put here in my small cups. Okay. So let's taste it. I need to taste this one. Look at. So this is the chicken breast. It's very soft. It's very soft. Delicious. And it's not dry. The beans is really soft. Carrots is really soft. So this is rice noodles with vegetables. Wow. And the meat, the pork that I put inside. It's really soft. Try this in your home, guys. It's simple recipe. Wow. Yeah, it's perfect. Cabbage, I put everything. The cabbage is called Chinese leaf if you buy bought this one in the shopping store in the UK. But this is cabbage. Oh my god. So delicious. Very delicious, guys. Look, I almost finished. Wow. 10 out of 10 cooked by me. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you click like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're updated for my next video. You know, I'm cooking on the hot plate oven, the portable one. I'm cooking this one today because in renovation the kitchen, so that's why I'm cooking today in the hot plate. So it's good cooking. I cook almost around 2 hours. Look at, I finished. You don't need to eat with rice this one because it is rice vermicelli. But if you like with rice, that's up to you. But because for me, I prefer with rice in this one. Oh, yummy. So that if I don't finish that one because that is too much. If I don't finish, then I can put in the freezer. Then after work, then it's ready. I only microwave. Very good. So delicious. So that's it from me this time, guys. Look, I finished everything, and I'm thinking I need more. So rice noodles with vegetables. I have all the vegetables: carrots, cabbage, string beans, green beans, string beans, and what I use, the spring onions, garlic, half kilo pork, half 1/4 kilo chicken breast fillet, and no oil because I use the oil from the meat. So that's it. Water, yeah, I add water, soy sauce, my Philippine soy sauce, and the oyster sauce, guys. So that's the ingredients that I and also the seasoning powder, my favorite seasoning powder. So thank you so much. Bye bye.